Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Ever wondered what Las Vegas looks like from the sky? Well, buckle up because today, I'm taking you on an epic aerial tour of Sin City. We're starting our journey at the iconic Las Vegas Strip. By day, it's a dazzling display of architectural marvels. Think the towering Wynn, the luxurious Bellagio, and the shimmering pyramid of the Luxor. From above, you can really appreciate the scale and grandeur of these incredible structures. Next, we're soaring over Caesar's Palace, with its majestic Roman-inspired design. And let's not forget the Mirage, with its lush, tropical vibe and that famous erupting volcano. The view from up here? Absolutely breathtaking. As the sun sets, Las Vegas transforms into a neon wonderland. The city lights up like a million stars, and the Strip becomes a vibrant electric sea. Watch as the fountains of Bellagio dance in perfect harmony to music, shooting water high into the night sky. We'll glide past the Eiffel Tower at Paris, Las Vegas, glowing softly under the moonlight, and marvel at the High Roller, the world's tallest observation wheel, giving us an unparalleled view of the city's skyline. And then, there's the Fremont Street experience. This is where old-school Vegas meets new, with a canopy of LED lights putting on a mind-blowing show overhead. From the air, you can see it all. The grand casinos, the bustling crowds, and the never-ending stream of lights and colors. It's a mesmerizing sight that captures the heart and soul of Las Vegas. So, whether you're planning your next adventure or just dreaming of far-off places, remember that the world looks a whole lot different from above. And Las Vegas? It's pure magic. Thanks for flying with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic travel content. Until next time, keep exploring. Next to the Las Vegas Strip is the downtown and Fremont Street experience. Now that we've marveled at Las Vegas from above, let's dive into one of the most electrifying spots in the city, the Fremont Street experience. This is where the spirit of old-school Vegas meets the thrill of modern entertainment. And trust me, it's a sight to behold. By day, Fremont Street is a bustling hive of activity. Imagine a 5-block pedestrian mall lined with historic casinos, quirky shops, and street vendors selling everything from souvenirs to mouth-watering street food. But as the sun goes down, Fremont Street transforms into the ultimate sensory overload. The Viva Vision canopy, stretching 1,500 feet long and 90 feet wide, is the world's largest video screen. Every night it comes alive with dazzling light shows, featuring over 16 million brilliant LED lights. The canopy bursts into color, synchronizing with heart-pounding music that echoes through the street. From classic rock anthems to modern pop hits, the shows are nothing short of spectacular. But that's not all. Fremont Street is also famous for its street performers. You'll encounter musicians, magicians, and even daredevil acts that defy gravity. One moment, you might be captivated by a soulful singer, and the next, you're watching a fire eater put on a jaw-dropping display. It's a non-stop carnival of talent and creativity. And let's not forget Slotzilla, the epic zip line that lets you soar above the crowds. Whether you choose the lower zip line or the higher zoom line, you'll get a bird's-eye view of the vibrant chaos below. It's an adrenaline rush like no other, and a must-try for any thrill seeker. As you wander through Fremont Street, you'll feel the pulse of Las Vegas in every beat. This is the city's heartbeat, where history and modernity collide in a riot of lights, sounds, and unforgettable experiences. So there you have it, the Fremont Street experience, a place where every night feels like a celebration. If you're ever in Las Vegas, make sure to put this on your itinerary. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.